friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking purple potatoes in the air fryer. So what we use, purple potatoes, oil, I'll use olive oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil, or if you'd like, you can just leave it out if you want it to be low fat. And seasonings of your choice, I'm going to use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, and you can use any seasonings you'd like. So the purple potatoes, just cut them so the pieces are the same. These are pretty small, they're baby potatoes, but see how some of them are larger, so that's why I'll cut them to make them the same. If yours are uniform baby potatoes, you can just leave them as is. And if they're larger, just cut them into quarters or any kind of same pieces you'd like. So what I'll actually do is I'm going to cut the smaller one into halves and the bigger ones into quarters. So then all the pieces will be similar in size. And now once you cut the potatoes, I'm going to now put them in a bowl and season them. These are very interesting potatoes, purple inside and outside. So I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. So the oil is just makes them crispier. And then season them to taste. So this is salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And then toss them so they're evenly coated with oil and seasonings. And now let's take out the air fryer basket. And I will put the purple potatoes in the air fryer. And let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 20 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And let's shake the potatoes so they cook more evenly. And put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these purple potatoes. They're perfectly cooked and look amazing. Perfect roasted potatoes in the air fryer. So at this point, I recommend piercing a potato with a fork just to make sure they're cooked. Yeah, mine are tender. So they pierce so easily with a fork. And if yours are not cooked, just put it back in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for an additional 5 minutes or until they're tender. So these are perfectly cooked. I'll take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. They look amazing. I love roasted potatoes. And now let's try it. So let me just cut it so you can see the inside. So it's so tender. And these purple potatoes, good thing about them, I didn't have to peel them because their skin is totally edible. So let's try it. It tastes amazing. And actually it tastes the same as regular potatoes. They just look purple. So it's just an interesting variety of potatoes, but they taste like normal potatoes and so easy to make in the air fryer. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!